Hello, everyone. Here is question 11 for exam 1, chapter 11. The position of an object moving in a straight line is given by s of t equals 5t squared plus 7t. Find the instantaneous rate of change when t equals 3. Now, notice that this is instantaneous rate of change. It's the IRC here, when t equals 3. So the instantaneous rate of change, by definition, is the limit, as in this case, t goes to 3. Sorry, h goes to 0, my apologies. I was thinking of another definition. The limit as h goes to 0 of s of 3 plus h minus s of 3, and then all over h. Now, notice that s again is 5t squared plus 7t. So this would give me the limit as h approaches 0 of 5, and then instead of t, it's the entire parentheses, 3 plus h, close parentheses, squared, plus 7, and instead of t, it's the parentheses, 3 plus h, close parentheses. Now, right here is just all of s of 3 plus h. And minus s of 3 means I need to subtract off the entire original function of 5 times 3 squared plus 7 times 3. And then divide all of that by h. And then simplify this. Now, notice that we need to square first here. So we have the limit as h approaches 0 of 5 parentheses 3 plus h squared. That's a binomial squared. To do this, square both of these. 3 squared is 9. Leave some space. H squared is h squared. To get the middle term here, 3 times h is 3h. And then double that 3, that gives you 6. So that's a plus 6h there. And so the plus 7 times 3 plus h, and then minus all of this over here. So it's 5 times 9 plus 7 times 3. And then all of that will be divided by h. Good. Now we're going to deal with multiplication. So distribute the 5, distribute the 7, multiply, and multiply. So this is going to give me the limit as h goes to 0 of 45 plus 30h plus 5h squared plus 21 plus 7h minus parentheses 5 times 9 is 45 plus 7 times 3 is 21. Good. Now I would distribute the negative, and that's going to give me the limit as h approaches 0 of 45 plus 30h plus 5h squared plus 21 plus 7h minus 45 minus 21. And then all over h. Good. Now notice that the 45 here cancels the minus 45. The negative 21 here cancels the negative 21. So they are canceling each other. And then here we're going to combine like terms. So this is going to give me the limit as h approaches 0 of 5h squared. That's the highest degree there. There aren't any other terms with it. The h terms are 30h and 7h. Add them together. Add them together gives me 37h. Oops. There we go. So plus 37h all over h. Now notice that in the numerator, there's a common factor of h. So if I factor that out, we have the limit as h approaches 0 of h parentheses 5 h plus 37 all over h. Good. Now notice that the h here cancels the h here, and what we're left with, I'm going to come over here, is the limit as h approaches 0 of 5h plus 37. And notice that h goes to 0 here, so it gives me 5 times 0 plus 37. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 37 is 37. And there you go. 37 is the instantaneous rate of change when t equals 3. Good deal. All right, there's question 11. Have fun.